Dude, that was a savage tackle.
Yeah, I got fucking lifted. Dave, you're on 9.
Sevens rules.
Yeah. How you feeling?
Good, man. Yeah. I feel like I'm playing at 8,000 feet.
What's up, man? You got your shit?
Good fucking shit, bro.
I was out there like
That was so good.
Like 3 guys was like, oh my God,
They're good tacklers.
yeah.
They're doing really good.
Really good.
But that was really good fucking offense. Good shake, bro. Let's fucking take.
That shit fucking over.
Hey, that's all good.
Fucking get in, let's go.
Now this is the team from Littleton. Okay, that's the Littleton team.
Oh, straight out.
Justin, great feed to me. Feed out to Wilson. Thought we might have gone.
That's perfect. Yeah. Tucker, good fucking shit. How you feeling? You okay?
Yeah, I thought I got hit hard. You got hit hard.
Let's fuck the fuck out of that.
Let's go, boys! Come on, Scots! Fucking Wilson! Step it up! Ryan!
Hey, on him!
Nice tackle! That's the way to tackle!
Let's go, Melby. God, I love that guy.
Back in blood, he did it for me.
Yeah, their coach just passed a year or 2 ago. Yeah, that was sad. Never played a season.
Dude, that was so sick, Tucker. Oh my God.
Did you get it?
No! They didn't get that whole phase.
No!
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm in. Don't get me wrong. I'm in.
Let's go, Scots! Come on!
Hey, boys!
Come up hard, defense! Let's go! Come up hard! Let's go, Holter! Come on, backline!
Yes, Holter!
Come on, backline!
Yeah, Tucker. Or wait, Matt?
Who's going for Holter?
Oh, shit.
Pass the ball, buddy.
Nice.
Come on, James.
That's a knock.
Who's going to go for?
It's advantage. Huh?
Who's going to go for?
Oh.
Go with him!
Go down.
Good rock! Good
Quick.
rock.
It's back.
Backwards.
There you go.
With him, Wilson.
Stay in.
Oh, fuck.
On the line.
I think that's in. Yeah, someone get in.
You got it?
Oh, you started.
Go ahead.
Good job, Holter. Get low! Get low!
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
Set up on D. Uh-oh. Oh, they dropped it.
What's our ball? Yep.
Oh, it's still back.
Going to contact.
Oh, you're fucking me. Good shit, bro. How you feeling? Good. Awesome. Making good takes. Dude. Yeah. It's okay. He was just there. I saw you say that. I'm like, oh, dude, he was just like,
That was bad, dude. Everyone went, ooh. Yeah. That's going to be a fun one.
If they even got it because these two fucking goons.
They don't have to do it. Why do they have to do it?
Let's go, Scots.
What?
I just been telling everyone that. You know a lot of people beers, Josh. No, it's a Justin.
There you go.
Oh, come on. You got numbers. Again.
Just fall on it.
Get on it.
My one was just
From the side.
on top of it.
Off his feet.
I cannot believe how heavy it is. And 2 penalties.
Off his feet, sir.
It's all right. Bill's here to be social. Not competitive. Nice fucking shit, Melby.
Good rap.
Nice.
Get it. Rap. Win that ball. Yes.
Over him.
Get over.
Get it out! Get it
Get
out!
in there.
Off his feet.
Tucker's just holding up.
Not rolling.
He's not rolling.
Oh, like when he's in fetal position. The ball. I want to get back in. Who's that? Next wing come out. Yeah?
I'm good, man. How about you? Oh, shit. There we go. We made it work. Woo! Shit, you might be able to talk to him.
I play for a good team, yes.